In this video, we'll show you exactly how to clean battery corrosion safely and effectively. Battery corrosion can damage your devices and reduce their efficiency. Proper cleaning is essential to ensure safety and maintain performance. Let's get started. Begin by ensuring the device is turned off and disconnected from any power sources. Put on protective gloves and eyewear to protect your skin and eyes from corrosive chemicals. Carefully remove the corroded batteries, disposing of them properly according to local hazardous waste guidelines. Avoid direct contact with battery leakage. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a thick paste. Baking soda effectively neutralizes battery acid corrosion, making it safer to handle and clean. Apply the baking soda paste to the affected areas using a soft cloth, cotton swab, or an old toothbrush. Gently scrub away corrosion until the residue has completely dissolved. Wipe away any remaining paste with a clean, damp cloth. Ensure all traces of corrosion and baking soda are removed. Dry thoroughly with a soft cloth to avoid future corrosion. Inspect battery terminals and surrounding areas carefully to confirm all corrosion has been removed. If necessary, repeat cleaning until all corrosion is gone. Insert new batteries carefully, ensuring correct alignment and polarity. Regularly check and replace batteries promptly, as old batteries are more likely to leak and corrode. Following these steps will safely remove battery corrosion and help keep your devices in top condition. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe for more practical cleaning tips, and share your own battery maintenance experiences in the comments below. Stay safe and power on.